to learn about the classification of carbohydrates. Okay, classification of carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrate. So simple carbohydrates then divided into monosaccharides, disaccharides. Okay, monosaccharides examples aldose, triose, tetrose, pentose, and hexose. Then disaccharides, sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Then complex homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Complex are divided into two parts, homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Then homopolysaccharides, starch, dextrin. Heteropolysaccharide, hyaluronic acid. Okay, so here also you can see monosaccharides, aldose, triose, tetrose, and pentose, and ketose and fructose. So this is the classification of carbohydrate. Now in the next you will see that another type of classification. This is one type of classification, and now I'm showing you another classification also of carbohydrates. So this is one more classification of carbohydrate. Okay, in this classification you can see there's no more difference. It's a different method of describing, or you can say explaining. Classification: monosaccharides means one sugar unit, disaccharides means two sugar units, oligosaccharide means 3 to 10 monosaccharide units, or you can say sugar units, polysaccharides more than 10. Okay, the examples of monosaccharides are glycose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharides, maltose, lactose, sucrose. Now the examples of oligosaccharides is starchose, raffinose, maltotriose. Polysaccharide, starch, cellulose, glycogen. Okay, so this is all about the classification of carbohydrates. This is the one way to classify. You can write in this way also and the previous way also. Okay, both the methods are correct. Here you can see carbohydrates are formed in the plants from carbon dioxide, water, and by the process of photosynthesis by using the energy from the sun. They are formed in the plant. Okay, how? By the carbon dioxide and water, by the process of photosynthesis, and they are using the energy from the sun. Solar energy is stored as a chemical energy. Solar energy, or you can say sun energy, energy from the sun, is stored as a chemical energy in the form of carbohydrates. And then they have given starch, sugar in plants. Starch is also found in plants, and sugar is also from the plants. Here we'll see the sources. Starch are found in the plant seeds. Example: cereals, rice and wheat. Example: wheat means any products of the wheat like bread, or the chapati. Rice, the puff rice, normal rice, brown rice. It includes pulses, all the pulses. Chicken, peas, lentils, beans, and etc. Beans means kidney beans or any other beans. Roots, potato, sweet potato, etc. These are the examples of roots. Now sugar in fruit, honey. Sugar found in fruit, honey. Plant juice, sugarcane, beetroot, and palm. These are in the form plant juice. Okay, examples: sugarcane, beetroot, and palm. In vegetables are corn and the peas. These are the sources of carbohydrates, and cereal supplies large part of the carbohydrate in the diet. As you know, it is the main part, or the main, you can say, element of the diet is carbohydrates. So cereal is supplying the large part of carbohydrate in the diet.